Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure Monday.com dashboards for project reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Monday.com dashboards for project reporting, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Select the workspace where your project is located. Navigate to the dashboard section from the platform's main menu. Click on the plus new dashboard button to create a new dashboard. Input a name for your dashboard that reflects its purpose. Choose the layout that best suits your reporting needs. Add the desired widgets by clicking on the Add Widget button in the dashboard view. Select from options such as charts, timelines, or numbers for your project reporting. For each widget, choose the specific board you want to pull data from. Configure the widget settings to display the data in a meaningful way. Adjust filters to ensure the data reflects the relevant timeframes or teams. Customize the widget appearance to match your branding preferences. Save your changes to each widget as you complete the configuration. If needed, reorder the widgets by dragging them into your preferred arrangement. Consider adding a text box widget to provide context for your data. Review the overall layout of your dashboard for clarity and usability. Share the dashboard with your team by adjusting the share settings. Set permissions to control who can view or edit the dashboard. Regularly update the dashboard by adding or removing widgets based on project needs. Monitor the dashboard's performance to ensure it meets your reporting objectives. Finally, solicit feedback from your team for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.